Relations and functions. Okay, just a couple definitions. You've probably seen these before, but a relation is just a correspondence between two sets. We call the first set the domain, and we call the second set the range. And each one of those members of the domain must correspond to at least one member of the range. So everything in the first set has to get paired up. The difference with a function, though, is going to be that in this correspondence between the first set and the second call, also called the domain and range, that each member of the domain corresponds to exactly one member of the range. In other words, that I can't take something from this first set and pair it up more than once. I can only use it one time. Every correspondence between two sets is not a function. Every correspondence would be a relation, though. So functions are more specialized. Let's take a look at a couple examples. This first way we've got written out here, this is just called a mapping. So this first set here would be my domain, the -6, 6, -3, 3, and 0. This second set over here, the 36, 9, and 0, that would be my range. And it's showing me by these arrows how everything is being paired up. Well, everything in the first set got paired up. The fact that two of these got sent to the same place doesn't matter. It is a relation and it's also a function because I can send more than one thing to the same spot. Over here, got another example. I've got it listed out as ordered pairs. So 9, -5, 9, 5, and 2, 4. Well, my domain is the 9 and the 2. There's no point in repeating it. The range is the -5, the 5, and the 4. But this is not going to be a function because in this case, the first element, 9, got paired with two separate different things in the range, and that's not permitted. Okay, this last example here that I have, we have these sets of ordered pairs, and what do you notice about these is that all of them, the -5 gets paired with 3, 0 gets paired with 3, 6 gets paired with 3. I don't care that there's a repeat with the y value or the second value. The point is each one of these first things only got sent to one second thing. So this qualifies as a function. The domain is just the list -5, 0, 6, and the range is very simply just 3.